I welcome you to this channel. On this channel, we talk about airdrop, crypto, and other legit platforms. Kindly hit the subscribe button, like this video, and turn on that notification bell so you will get notified when we post our next video. And for sponsorship or advertisement, just contact me via WhatsApp or Telegram. The link to my WhatsApp and Telegram are in the description below. I'm your host, Shina Oladele. Alright guys, let's dive into today's video. In this short video, I want to show you how you can take profit on your investment. If you are trying to buy all these low cap coins, you must be able to have your perfect profit taking strategy in place. And you have been watching my video, I've been sharing a lot of different kind of coins that you can buy. So I've been getting different kind of questions from people that how can they be taking profit on their investment or on their trade. So these are the coins in this wallet. For instance, you can see APF, it has done 97% today. You can see PUG, it has done 130% today. So let's say I invested just $5 or $6 into this APF, and the APF has printed over 100% gain for me. It is very simple. I can just go and take my profit from this APF by taking maybe $6 or $5 or $7 from this, which is my capital. So let me show you how to do this. Some people will like to just take their capital once their investment has done 2x, while some are waiting for 3x or 4x before they take their capital and some profit. So you should know the best profit taking strategy that you want to stick to. So let's say I want to just take my capital away from this APF that has done almost 100% in gain. I just come to discover here. I come to discover here. The same way I buy it is the same way I'm going to sell it also. So I come to discover, I click on discover. Then I will come to this place here. I will type pancake swap. I will type pancake swap. This is a BitGet account, and then APF is actually under BNB Smart Chain. So I'm going to use pancake swap for it, either to buy or to sell and take profit. So I will click on pancake swap here. So it has loaded successfully now. If you want to buy any coin with BNB, your BNB will be here, and the coin you want to buy. Let's say I want to buy this cake now. My BNB will be here and my cake will be here. So I'm using this BNB to buy cake. But if I want to sell this cake now, I can just put this cake here and I will put the BNB here. But let's say I want to sell this cake now. I will click on these two arrows here to interchange. That means I want to convert my cake into BNB. It's as simple as that. If I click on this thing again, I click on it, it means I want to convert my BNB into cake. But if I click on this thing again, it means I want to convert my cake into BNB. This is a simple way to explain how to buy and sell on Pancake Swap. So in this video, I want to convert my APF that I've made over 100% gain on. I want to convert it to a stable coin, which is USDT. So therefore, my APF will be here, while the USDT will be here. Do you get that, guys? So I will just come here, I will search for my APF here. I will click on this arrow, then I will search for my APF. I will search for my APF. Okay, so it already brought out all the assets I'm holding in this wallet, and you can see Black Tiger King, you can see APF, you can see BNB. So I just click on APF. I will click on APF, or you can just put the contract address of the coin you want to sell here, then just paste it there. It's the same thing. So let me just click on the APF here. It has brought it out for me already. So I click on APF. All right. So I will come here. I will change this one to USDT. I will click on the arrow here. I've clicked on it. I've clicked on it. Then I will select USDT. I select USDT. You can also come here.
You can just come here and just type USDT there. USDT is still the same thing. So it will bring it out for you under Binance Network. Just click on it. Alright, so it is now clear. I want to convert my APF to USDT. So I want to just take my capital away from this APF. So I'm having 37,578 APF, and then I want to just remove half of this APF. So I'm taking away just, let's say, 18,000 APF. That's the total number of APF that I want to remove from this investment. Or let me say I want to remove 20,000 worth of APF. Let me type 20,000 there. So I'm removing 20,000 APF out of my 37,000 APF that I'm holding. So this 20,000 is actually 6 USDT. So it has populated the amount for me. It's going to give me that $7.61. Then I just click on swap. I will click on swap. I normally set my slippage to like 8 or 10% so that I can be able to just do all my transactions smoothly without any delay at all. So once you have put the number of APF you want to sell here, just come here and click on swap So I click on swap now. Then I click on confirm swap. I click on, you can see trading fee is what is 59 APF. So it's very easy. Price updated. You can click on accept. That means the price have changed just now. So I will just click on confirm swap. Confirm swap. Okay, I will click on confirm now. Confirm. Confirm. I will enter my PIN. I have entered my PIN. So confirm swap. So it has been submitted successfully. Okay, so transaction receipt. That means that I have successfully sold 20,000 of APF that I buy. I have converted it into USDT. So USDT is just like a stable coin that it doesn't fluctuate at all. If you have $6 today, your $6 remains $6 always. So you can just convert. That is how to take profit from your trade. So let me go back to my wallet now and let's see the amount of APF I'm now holding. So you can see, guys, so out of the $13 worth of APF that I have before, it's now remained just $6.7. I have taken the profit from this APF. It is now in USDT. So before I was having $24 USDT here, and it's now $31 USDT. So that means that I have taken my capital away from this APF. What is left here is just my profit. So if this APF now drew, let's say it drew over 200% again, or 300% again, I can take profit again. I can just take part of the profit again. So for instance, I think I entered when, so this APF is now 327,000 market cap. I think I entered around 150,000 market cap. So I've made over 100% profit on this trade. This is a very low market cap coin, and this is what we actually focus on in my mentorship group. We try to buy all these low gem coins when they are of a very low market cap, and we are making so much money from them. And if you want to join my mentorship class also, just chat me up on WhatsApp or Telegram so you can be added to the group. So then one more question is that how can you now sell your USDT and convert it into cash, maybe into Naira or any kind of currency you are spending in your country? So it is very, very easy. Just go to your exchange. Let's say I'm using BitGet Exchange now. I go and copy my USDT wallet address from BitGet Exchange and transfer this USDT to that same USDT address. So this is my BitGet Exchange account. I'll just come here and copy my USDT address on BitGet Exchange account. So just come to the assets here. You click on the assets. Then you click on add funds. I click on add funds. I click on it. Then you see deposit crypto here. You click on deposit crypto. Then I want to copy my USDT address from this BitGet Exchange. Hope you are seeing this, guys. So click on USDT. This is it. I click on it. I click on it. I'm going to select the one under BEP20 Binance Smart Chain. That is the network you are going to make use of. So I click on it. Then you click on copy here. I click on copy. So this address has been copied. Let's go back to our BitGet wallet. So now I'm on my BitGet wallet now. I want to withdraw this USDT back to my BitGet exchange to go and convert it into Naira or any kind of currency you are spending in your country. So I click on USDT here. Then you come down here, you click on transfer. I click on transfer. Then I click on this place here. I paste the address I copy from BitGet exchange. I paste it here under receiving address. All right, so I want to just send $11 to my BitGet exchange. I will type $11 here. Sorry, I will type $11 here. $11. Then I click on confirm. I click on confirm. Alright, so now click on confirm. Once you click on confirm, this amount will be sent straight away to your BitGet exchange. I click on confirm. So sending confirmation. Then you click on confirm again. I click on confirm. Then you enter your password here. So I have entered my password. So this amount has been sent successfully to my BitGet exchange. I will now go to my BitGet exchange now and convert this $11 into cash straight away to my bank account. So the deposit has been arrived here right away in my BitGet exchange account. So big question is that how do you now convert this amount into your local currency? So I want to convert this $11 to Naira now, which will be paid straight away to my bank account. So to do that, you have to move your fund to this OTC account. You move it from spot to OTC. All right, so just come to OTC here. You click on OTC, then you click on transfer. You click on transfer. I've done that. So I want to move from spot to my OTC. I'm moving from spot to my OTC here. I'm moving the whole funds. I click on all. Then I click on confirm. I click on confirm. Confirm. So it has been moved to my OTC account. I want to convert it to Naira right away. So come to overview here and click on add funds. Click on add funds. Just follow me, guys. You surely get it. Then come to P2P trading. P2P trading. I click on P2P trading. Then I click on Express so it can be fast. I click on Express. Then I want to sell. I'm not buying now. So I click on sell. I click on sell. All right. And I will click on max because I want to sell everything right away. So I'm selling $11 right away. Then I click on sell USDT. So it has shown me the amount I'm going to receive. That's 16,296 Naira. I click on sell USDT. Then I click on this. Click on confirm sale. Now the order generated pending payment. So this guy does is going to pay me 15,946 Naira now. Once it paid to my bank account, I just click on release coin and the deal is done. So let's wait for his payment. You can just come to this place here. You chat this guy up. You can chat him up here. Let's see what he's saying here. He said, welcome, chief. Important information. Welcome. Please release the coin immediately after you confirm payment. Don't go offline without releasing the coin. Blah, blah, blah. Thanks. So I can just tell him, kindly proceed. Kindly proceed. Kindly proceed. All right. So the same way if you want to buy USDT also, you can just chat the buyer up also and tell him that you are about to make your payment. Okay, so this guy has paid the money to my bank account. Now let me check the payment. So he has paid 15,950 Naira. You can see it here, guys. Now I can go ahead and release the coin to him. So to see my pending orders, I'll just come here. I click on the orders. I click on the orders. Then you come here. You click on the pending orders here. I click on it. Then you can see release. You can see press on release. I click on release. I click on I have confirmed receipt of the 15,946 Naira in the above account. I click here, you click on it here, I click on, then I click on confirm. So they're going to send me an OTP to my email address here. I go to my email and copy the number and put it here, then I will click on confirm. Then that's all what you have to do. What I was sent is 531889, 531889. Then I click on confirm. So that's it, guys. The transaction has been completed. The money is in my bank account, and I given these guys also is dollars. So that is how to take your profit on a trade and convert it to cash, which will be sent to your bank account. It is as easy as that. All right, guys. Thanks for watching. If you want to join my crypto mentorship class, when you are making money by investing early on low cap and tiny coins, just chat me up on WhatsApp or Telegram. It is not free, but it's very small. It's what you can afford. Just chat me so I can add you up to the group. Thanks for watching, guys. Kindly like, share, and subscribe also. And let us meet in my next video. Peace and love.